Okay, so here we are in Thailand, and we're on the coast, and right now is actually high tide. So let's go ahead and look at the ocean. And when you see the ocean here, you see that right now I'm stepping on some rock, which is obviously not wet right now, but the waves are coming in, and the tide is going to eventually cover all of this rock area, which happens every day. So what's interesting is that some parts of the rock, if we come over here, some parts of these rocks never really get to be dry because they create little pools called tidal pools. And so tidal pools are kind of a neat area for new ecosystems to be created. So actually come a little closer and you can see some of the cool organisms that make up the tidal pool. So here, this is underwater. Here we've got some blue-colored coral-looking things. Here's some different ones, and I don't know if you can see really closely, but when I move my finger around, there's like little hairs or something on these that sway. And then we also have some bivalves in here. There's a bivalve. Oop. When I touched it, it closed. It's like a clam. And there's also a lot of microscopic organisms in here that we can't see with our eyes. But if we look closely, you might even be able to spot a clam, or sorry, not a fish or two. But this is a really interesting ecosystem. Lots of things live in tidal pools. So I'm glad I got to share this with you today. Maybe a question for you is, what types of things in here besides organisms make this an ecosystem? What are some other factors that you can identify in here that make this an ecosystem, just like the ocean is a larger ecosystem?